My name is Scott McIntyre, and I'm the owner of Landscape Solutions, located here in Los Gatos, California. Here at Landscape Solutions, we offer design and installation of residential landscaping. We work throughout the entire Silicon Valley. We do hardscaping, which is like concrete, pavers, wood decking. We do softscaping like lawns and gravel and plants and irrigation, as well as synthetic turf. We do pretty much everything outdoors. Yeah, I started in this industry when I was 19 years old in Pasadena, and I did landscape gardening, like mowing and that sort of thing for customers. And I then since worked in different nurseries. I worked for the City of Burbank Parks Department. And then I became a licensed landscape contractor in 1993 here in Los Gatos. We started with one guy and me and a Volkswagen bus, and I've gradually grown to about 12 employees, as well as a whole bunch of trucks and trailers and tools, and we have a really efficient setup in the way we operate our business. Yeah, just a few weeks ago, we replaced the deck boards of a deck for a customer in Los Gatos, and it really came out really well. We saved them a lot of money because we didn't do more work than was necessary. And again, replaced the deck boards with new boards. We didn't have to replace the substructure, although we looked at it and it was in good condition, so we didn't try to sell them something they didn't need. And replaced the deck, and it's a beautiful new redwood deck. And they were very happy. It actually came in under budget, which of course they were very happy with. So when you are in need of new landscaping, give us a call. We will provide you a free landscape design consultation, which is a great thing to have to understand the cost of the work you might need done and a lot of the secret design tips that we will give you. So give us a call, we'll treat you like family, and we'll take care of all your services.